Introducing the Onseen S702 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge cleaning solution designed to revolutionize household maintenance. Boasting an exceptional Lv9 High-Efficiency Filtration system and a powerful 530W Upgraded Brushless Motor, this vacuum cleaner delivers unparalleled suction power, effortlessly tackling dirt, pet hair, and debris on any surface. Equipped with an intuitive OLED Smart Panel, adjustable quad suction modes, and a versatile rotating brush head with green LED illumination, it offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. With its innovative features and user-friendly design, this cordless vacuum cleaner sets a new standard for home cleaning, ensuring a pristine living environment with every use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Exceptional filtration system. This cordless vacuum cleaner boasts an Lv9 High-Efficiency Filtration system that utilizes a multi-conical hole cyclone filtration mechanism. This innovative design efficiently captures an impressive 99.99% of tiny dust particles, ensuring that the discharged air is purified and clean. The upgraded 2 large dust cups, with a capacity of 2 liters each, offer ample space for debris collection, and the easy-to-use push-button emptying feature simplifies maintenance. Number 2. Powerful suction and motor. Equipped with a 530W upgraded brushless motor introduced in Q4 2023, this cordless vacuum cleaner delivers an impressive suction power of up to 38 kW. This power ensures the effective removal of dirt, pet hair, and even snack crumbs from various surfaces, including long pile carpets. The robust suction capability makes cleaning tasks quicker and more efficient. Number 3. OLED Smart Panel. The inclusion of an OLED Smart Panel enhances user convenience and control. This panel provides real-time information about battery status and the vacuum cleaner's operational mode. Additionally, it features a sensor that alerts users with a red alarm in case of blockages, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Number 4. Adjustable quad suction and versatile cleaning modes. Offering 4 speed levels, including a high-powered mode of 38 kPa for 15 minutes and an auto mode of 15 kPa for 65 minutes. This cordless vacuum cleaner adapts to various cleaning requirements. Whether tackling pet hair, fine dust, crumbs, or larger particles on different floor types such as hardwood, tile, marble, or low-pile carpets, this vacuum cleaner provides tailored cleaning performance. Number 5. Enhanced maneuverability and illumination. With its rotating brush head and 4 green LED lights, this cordless vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning even in dark or hard-to-reach areas. The 180 degrees swivel capability enables easy navigation around furniture and obstacles, while the 90 degrees up and down movement enhances versatility. The use of green LED lights aids in effectively illuminating particles as small as 0.1 ohm, providing users with a clearer view during cleaning tasks. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Onseen S702 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands as a testament to innovation and efficiency in home cleaning technology. With its advanced filtration system, powerful motor, and smart features, it surpasses expectations in performance and convenience. Whether tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning tasks, this cordless vacuum cleaner excels, providing a thorough and effortless cleaning experience. Its versatility, maneuverability, and user-friendly design make it a valuable asset for any household, ensuring a pristine living environment with every use. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning routines and embrace the future of home maintenance with this cordless vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.